This tutorial will show you how to find your user ID and password for Canvas classes at the Santa Ana College School of Continuing Education. There are two common ways to find your user ID. First, your user ID appears in the email you receive from the school after you register for a class. Second, you can look up your user ID on the school website. Soon after you register for an online or hybrid class, you will receive an email from the school with the title, "You are registered for continuing education classes." Look for your student email address, which is listed in the email. This address is your Canvas user ID. It will be in the following format: your initials followed by 5 numbers, the @ symbol, and student.sac.edu. Be sure to write it down. To find your user ID on the school website, make sure you have your student ID number. You have 3 different ways to get to the website. First, you can go to the internet address rsccd.edu/resetpassword, or you can click the link below the video, or you can follow the QR code on the screen. This will take you to the password reset page. In the last name field, type your last name exactly as it appears on your registration form. In the student/employee ID field, type your student ID, which has 7 numbers. If you don't know your student ID number, you can type in your Social Security number if you entered it during the registration process. When you are finished, press the Retrieve Username button on the left. After you press the button, your student email should appear at the bottom of the screen. This is your Canvas user ID, so write it down. Unless you have changed it, your password is your birth date in the format MMMDDYYYY. Be sure to capitalize the first letter of the month and use lowercase letters for the second and third letters. For example, if you were born on January 1st, 2000, your password would be Jan012000 with a capital J and a lowercase a and n. Now that you have your Canvas user ID and password, you should be able to log on to Canvas and begin working. However, it is possible that you will get an error message when you try to log on that says you are using an incorrect user ID or password. If this happens, check to make sure you typed in your information correctly. If this doesn't work, you may need to reset your password. To do this, return to the password reset page and fill in your information, but this time you will need to press the Reset Your Password button on the right. For more information on this process, click the video link above on the left. Otherwise, click the video link on the right to learn about how to get started in Canvas.